Hello to all my friends out there. This video is dessert and why rice is probably the first thing you want to stockpile. Or if you need to enlarge on your stockpile, you might want to stockpile more rice. So okay, I want to have dessert and I wanted to show you guys my decorative plate and I couldn't find it. So this is what you call small joys. I bought this plate yesterday in a box full of junk at the thrift store. And so what I saw the guy in back of me had was these mini almond cookies. And I go, wow, that looks good. Well, I bought them and they're smaller than regular almond cookies, but they're not itty bitty. The mini thing has not always been around. I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 years only, and I think it was either a very small guy, he might have been a midget, he came up with the gourmet jelly beans, those little bitty ones, and the little chocolate chip cookies. So what I have to go with my tea are these tasty almond, I bought these at 99 cents only. They're really good. I already ate a few. The product review is these are really, really good. But that is one thing I wanted to show you. I was trying to show you guys my rice pudding. Last night I made rice pudding and I saved a little bit. This is a half cup. Okay, first of all, a half cup is a lot. The good thing about the recipe I have is if you don't have to put it in a water bath or anything. I had this recipe a long time, and I always make it with cooked rice. One-third uncooked rice. I just use whatever rice I have. 2 cups milk scalded. I usually use evaporated, but this time I used powdered. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, and I just scald the milk. Then I add everything and I slip it in the oven 300, and I just keep checking it. It's really good. You could put cinnamon on it as well. Okay, so if you're new to stockpiling, one of the things about rice is not only can you have like rice and meat or, rice and vegetables, but you can also make a dessert out of rice. Like if you ever got stuck eating your stockpile. So tonight I had leftover black beans. So black beans and rice makes a good side. And then I had leftover corn. So if you have black beans and rice and then corn, and then you can make some chicken or some kind of Mexican food. Tonight I made a salad. So if you're new to stockpiling, I would stockpile some tea so that if things ever got really tight, you would have a little tea to drink, as well as some water is not, if all you had was water, that would be a bummer. So this is just what I wanted to say the rest of the day. These decorative plates, these are small joys, and they can really be nice to have. I have quite a few. So if I would start out, if you can, 10 pounds of rice. And this is a 2-pound bag of rice I bought for $1 at Dollar Tree. So, okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.